Cast iron cookware is some amazing stuff, but if you cook with it regularly, you know that it can be really difficult to clean, especially when there's tough bits of food and junk on it. Well, after watching today's video, you will know the easiest way to get even the messiest gunk and grime off of a cast iron pan. Hello and welcome to I Want to Cook. My name is Chef Matt, and if you watch this channel, you know that I'm a big fan of cast iron cookware. I cook with it quite a bit, and I even did a video on 5 reasons you should cook with cast iron, and I'll put that in the link below. But you might also know that cast iron cookware can be a little bit finicky. In fact, I did another video, 5 reasons you might want to avoid cooking with cast iron. And one of those reasons is that unlike a regular pan, you really don't want to just put a bunch of soap in this and clean it, because what that can do is diminish the non-stick coating that builds up over time as you cook with it. And that can be a problem because, you know, cast iron, a lot of times we are using these for high heat applications like cooking steaks or cooking chicken, and that can leave a lot of messy bits of food behind. Now, using just a plain scrubbing pad or a bristle brush like this really isn't going to cut it for something like that, where there's a bunch of just nasty particles of food left on your cast iron pan. So the best way I've found to clean cast iron is with one of these. They're called a chain mail cleaner, and you can find these pretty cheaply on Amazon for about $10. You know, they come from different brands. This isn't a pitch for any particular brand or anything like that. I think they all work about the same, and if you just search for a chainmail cleaner for cast iron, you can get one of these. So let me show you how well they work, and for that we are going to get our cast iron pan nice and grody, and I'll show you what I'm cooking, but we have to go outside because it's pretty nasty. We're cooking liver. Yes, if you've ever cooked liver before, you know this stuff smells. I'm not a huge fan of it. I know some people like it, but you know who really likes it in my family? My dog. So that's who I'm cooking this liver for. So I'm gonna get this pan nice and crusted with liver, and then I'll show you how to clean even the nastiest stuff off of a cast iron pan. No offense if you like liver, but to me this stuff smells so bad. As you can see, we did a number on our pan, and this was after just one batch of liver. So you can just imagine how truly nasty this would be if we cooked even more in this. So again, you wouldn't want to use a brush or a sponge on this. That would just make everything really nasty. But a chainmail scrubber, well, that should be a whole nother story. I'll show you how well it works on one of these. So we'll just put our pan in the sink, some hot water, and scrub. Now take a look at our pan. It is nice and clean. All of those bits are off, and all thanks to this thing. Now another tip, if you find that those bits really aren't coming off, you can add some coarse ground salt. This is just some kosher salt. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna act kind of like a culinary sandpaper. And this is gonna help get in there and really kind of get those bits of burnt food and crusty stuff off of your cast iron pan. So there you go. That is my go-to way for cleaning my cast iron. From here, I will season the pan, oil it up, make sure that it is ready for the next use. But that little chainmail thing has saved me so much grief and so much time over the years, just like scrubbing and cleaning my cast iron pan. Hey, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad that you are here. As always, if you have any questions or recipe suggestions, something you want me to cook on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I hope that you want to cook.